If you cannot control your own mind, then you are just a feather in the wind of life.
If you can't control your own brain and your brain controls you, you're fucked.
You're only enslaved if you can't control your mind.
The biggest mistakes come from too much talk, being more silent. Number 2, do not make debts, or you will be a long time slave. Number 3, do not make money, number 1, especially not in your 20s. Number 4, in business, in street and in jail, cooperation will bring you more power than confrontation. Number 5, if you want to make it big, mentor, not for weeks, but for years. Number 6, not great ideas make success, only success makes success. So be successful, small things, and then use it to build next bigger success. And the last, world is small. You see always people again. That's why always show respect every fucking day.
I want to be the standard. I want to be that guy. Like every place I went in the military, there was this ethos about how this place is, how we're going to live, how we're going to represent ourselves. I made one for myself on how I want to be. If people can make up a mission statement, an ethos in which they want to live by, and every morning you wake up, you hold yourself accountable to that mission, not a company's, your own. Make up your own mission statement. What do you want to be in life? Until you know what you want to stand for, you will always just be sitting down. You'll never stand for anything.
I always thought joy was, oh, I get this and then I'm happy, or I do this and then I'm happy, or I get her and then I'm happy, or I make that and then I'm happy, or they respect me and then I'm happy. Or I always thought happiness was to be acquired by the things I would gain from life. That's why I was always grabbing. If I knew early on that happiness actually is in me offering all of my suffering up for other people as an instructive thing, or as something that could benefit man, then I maybe would have lived my life differently.
Make it your mission in life to shove it down these motherfuckers' throats so fucking hard that they fucking choke. Make it so that when they fucking look at you and they see you 5 years from now down the road, they won't even look at you. They'll look the other way, or they'll look at the ground because they were so fucking embarrassed of what they did or how they treated you or what the fuck they said to you or how they tried to fuck with you, that they are embarrassed about what they did and where you went with it.
You do not experience joy as a consequence of achieving a goal. You experience joy as a consequence of positing a goal and then noting progress towards the goal. And so a corollary of that is that the higher the goal, the more intense the joy attendant on observation of progress towards it. And
the easy route never pays well. The only route in life that pays well is the hard route. The struggle, the pain, the frustration, and the overcoming of those things. And not only do they pay, they fulfill you as well.
We're doing this. I understand it's hard, you went down, but damn it, we're getting it done. Yeah. Nothing matters, and I don't want to talk to nobody. I don't want to see celebrities on the sideline. Don't dap me, don't say hi to me. I don't care about none of y'all, man.
You could be way more than that. And it's a crime, an ethical crime, for you to allow all that necessary potential to go to waste. It hurts you, it hurts your family, it hurts the world. Really, really, it does.
All these motherfuckers who said that they were your friends, that they're your homies, that they're your buds, they're your co-workers, happy hour, this and that. The moment you're like, sorry guys, I'm not doing happy hour. In fact, I'm going to leave work and go and work out. They're going to start talking shit. Oh, look at you all healthy. Look at you. You're going to have abs? Is that what you're going to do? You're going to have abs? Guess what? Well, look at you. You're going to have titties? You're going to have fucking diabetes? You're going to die of cancer? You're going to have anxiety and depression because you're such a piece of shit? You just slap their fucking gelatinous little titties and go, look at this. I could fucking milk you, bro. I could milk your little titties.
You can have more than you've got because you can become more than you are. And of course, the other side of the coin reads, unless you change how you are, you'll always have what you got.
Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to someone else today. So the question is, who should defeat? Find Linnell's the answer is you should be former self. You should be constantly trying to do that. And you're the right control for yourself, too, because you're the one who's had all your advantages and disadvantages. So if you want to compete fairly with someone, then you should be competing with you.
Your live with purpose is find out what you're good at first, find out how you can help other people with that, and that is your purpose.
You shouldn't be afraid of taking risks and pursuing something meaningful, but you should be more afraid of staying where you are if it's making you miserable. The clock is ticking, and if you're miserable now and you change nothing, in 5 years you'll be much more miserable and you'll be a lot older.
If you just worked out and actually were proud of your body at its purest form, naked in the mirror, right? You would have
the highest level of confidence that no Rolex, that no filler, that no Jordans, nothing, that no Ferrari can buy.
Getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning every day before anybody else and grounding my thought process is in the no one will outwork me. No one. I love and I respect you guys. I'll start this.
Just keep going. Keep going. Just put your head down, keep working, and keep going. No matter what happens, just keep going. And knowing that, what I always say is put a championship routine in place. You know, whatever that routine is, you wake up every single day, and that's what holds you accountable. No matter if you win or you lose, no matter how you feel, you know just that eventually it's going to pay off for you.
Get serious. You've really got to get serious. You don't have to be grim, but you must be serious. I know a guy that's got a half a dozen jokes keeping him from becoming wealthy. He's not known as rich. He's known as a joker, which I guess is okay if that's the kind of life you want to live. But it really isn't the best way to live. To go from average to fortune, you must get serious. And you must get serious about 2 very important things. Number 1 is setting your goals and where you want to go. Designing the next 5, the next 10 years is so vitally important. Then you have to get serious about another important subject. And that important subject is called personal development. Personal development is striving hard to become the kind of person that you want to be. 10 years from now, you will surely become someone. The big question is, who? What are you becoming?
I believe that everything happens for a reason. People change so that you can learn to let go. Things go wrong so that you can learn to appreciate them when they're right. And sometimes good things fall apart so better things fall together.